country flag is this?
South Korea.
How about the capital of South Korea?
Seoul. Jordan.
How about the capital of Jordan?
Amman.
Oh.
Malaysia.
How about the capital of Malaysia?
Kuala Lumpur. Saudi Arabia.
How about the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Riyadh. Pakistan.
How about the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad. Kuwait.
How about the capital of Kuwait?
Kuwait City. UAE.
How about the capital of UAE?
Abu Dhabi. Lebanon.
Or how about the capital of Lebanon?
Beirut. Philippines.
How about the capital of Philippines?
Manila. Japan.
How about the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Very good.